what I would say for someone who's doing like the generic 0.5% risk, right? And they're saying 2 losses a day, right? So when you're going in your first trade, you already in the back of your mind have, okay, I have a second trade that I could potentially take, right? And that's just lingering in your mind. That can start to like bleed over, right?
Oh yeah.
And you're like,
100%.
all right, this one's not going good. You get ready for the next one. And you're not thinking about it as much. So you really got to be...
You don't even trading multiple times in a day, you don't realize that, especially after losses, your psychology is just dissipating over time. After each trade, it's just dissipating and dissipating and like that strong psychology that you can with the you lose all control, and like you got to be so careful. It's a tough game. The markets is a tough game, man. Like it's really completely mastering yourself, and nobody has completely mastered themselves. We just find little tricks. We just know ourselves, right? And the more you know yourself, the more you know little tricks to control yourself. That's it. It's really
more about controlling you than controlling the account. At the end of the day, is what it seems like, right?
Controlling you. It's all about controlling you.
Crazy perspective.
Yeah.
How has TFT changed your life? Like, I know that this has opened up a lot of doors for you, obviously, but tell us, like, what was that moment like when you got that first payout with TFT and it actually hit your account? It's
huge, man. With TFT, one of the hardest things for traders, so there's a phase in trading where you're like at that break-even stage, and then you slowly get out of that break-even stage, and then now you're profitable, but you still have a $300 account though, you know, and and that $300 account, maybe you could push it like to 500, whatever. But if there are times, like I was at a point in my trading, and this is where like TFT comes in, where even though you have that small account, you're and you know how to trade, it could easily look like you don't know how to trade because you're taking more risk than you should. And obviously you're looking at the monetary amount, and obviously traders, you know, you make a mistake. Yeah, you make $50 on a $500 account, and you're just like, man, it's $50. But you're not understanding that it's 10%. And I can't blame them for that either, because you're looking for that monetary value. 100%. So now when you go into a firm like TFT, and that translates to a 6-figure account now all of a sudden those $50 days turn into $5,000 days, you know, like it really changes everything. And obviously you take that money, you could build your personal account.
What did you do with your first one?
Definitely built my personal account, you know, pay some bills here and there and stuff like that. But like definitely started building my personal account, man. Like it's just, I needed to make sure like I have security in all areas just in case, because you know, you could blow the account too.
At the end of the day.
Yeah, I've been doing well with I've been able to keep my my trading account, my firm account for quite some time. But
how long?
It's been over 100 days, that's for sure. Yeah, I hit a scale up, and it's been over 100 days. Plan on keeping it even longer.
You're going hard, bro.
Yeah, I'm going hard, man. I'm going hard. Yeah, again, it's a testament of that waiting for that A+ setup. And I go in drawdown. Doesn't mean like I win I definitely don't win every trade. But like, again, like that experience, that being calm. I go in drawdown immediately. When I go in drawdown, I go to the mirror. Like, you've done this 1,000 times.
The speech.
You've done this 1,000. This is no different. I've come out of serious drawdown, like serious drawdown.
Straight to blues.
And because I've done it, I go back to that mirror. You've done this 1,000 times. No different. You can do it again. And I get out.
So you literally step away from the charts when you go in drawdown. So what if you go straight to blues? Are you staying looking at the chart like, hey?
If I go straight to blues,
are you leaving the chart?
Then I go see my wife like, I'm the man.
Yeah, man. It can play a big role in your emotions.
Yeah.
It's a lot of ups and downs.
Oh, yeah.